What's up everybody, it's Audrey and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because I am going to be unboxing the GoPro Hero 8. I have one camera right here and another camera right up here so you guys get both angles. And I'm so excited to do this. This is my first GoPro ever. I've seen some really good reviews on it and everything, and I've been wanting to get one for a really long time, just for like vacations and traveling and kind of like everything in between. I did purchase this at Costco on sale. It was about $100 off, so I got it around $260 after taxes and everything, and it was on sale for $229 I believe, or $239. So yeah, and it comes in a little bundle, and I'm gonna be unboxing that today. I'm so excited. Okay, cool. So they're, unlike the original like just GoPro box, there isn't like a little strip that you can just take it off of. So this is gonna be kind of like an ugly unboxing, but we're gonna make it work. Cool. Alrighty, so we did that. This is me. Okay, cool. So let's see, it comes in a little case. So this is the case. It's just a little bag. It's really cute. It says GoPro on it. It has a little blue zipper on it. Very cute, very fun, very fresh. So let's go ahead and open it. I'm so excited. Cool. Alrighty, here we go. So let's open the pouch first. Hopefully you guys can see this. We have our little like paperwork, stickers, which I'm so happy about, and then a little instruction manual. Cool, and then kind of like how to like set up the GoPro and stuff. I'm gonna leave that out, and then the rest of this I'm gonna put on the side. And then in the pouch right here we have the SD card. This is a 32 GB micro SD card with a SD adapter. I don't know if I'll be using this one, but I'm probably going to upgrade to 128 gigs just because this GoPro does shoot in 4K, and usually a 32 GB micro SD card wouldn't work as well while shooting in 4K. That, and then it would also get it down to like about an hour of video recording, where like 128 would be like a lot more. So yeah, but it came with that. Then we have the the lightning cable. You guys, this is an Apple product now. We have the USB-C charger, and then we have not one, oh shoot, but two batteries for the GoPro. This is something that I also really liked about Costco, is that it came with all of this and the camera as well. So two batteries. It came with a little mount, a sticky mount. So yeah, and then we have the actual like mount. So I'll put that on the side. And then we have this, which is like a little divider for the case. Right here we have the what is this, like a handler? Like it's not a tripod because it doesn't like extend. Any like specific term for it? I don't know. Okay. And this one does float in the water, so if you do lose it in the water, this will float, which I think is pretty freaking cool. And then we have the GoPro itself. And here it is. Oh my gosh. It's so much tinier than what like I thought it would be. I don't know, everyone was saying, well, like from like the Hero 7 to like the Hero 8, the Hero 8's a little bit bigger. But it's still a really small and petite camera. I'm going to put that off to the side really quick. Here we have the case. It has a little zipper pouch, a little divider, and then there's nothing else in here. This was where the handler went. I already ordered a case for it. It's going to be like a little white silicone case. And then I also ordered screen protectors for all three screens on it. and I'm very excited about that. So next I am just gonna go ahead and pull up the app on my phone. Here I have it. Okay, I need to put a battery in here, so I'm just gonna pick whichever one. There we go. I feel like that snapped on a little bit better. I think. Should I turn it on now? I need a little flash. Okay, cool. English, there we go. Cool. Agree. Let's turn on GPS. Install the GoPro app on your phone. To finish setup, leave your camera on and follow the instructions. So let's go ahead and leave that there. Let's say agree. Yeah, okay. So add camera, and Bluetooth is off. Great. Okay, so let's turn on my Bluetooth. Click add camera. Here it goes. It's searching. And we found your GoPro. Let's get started and connect it to your iPhone. Connect camera. Pair. Made a little beep. Audrey's08 GoPro. Save new name. I'm so excited for this, you guys. This is so fun. I love doing stuff like this. Alrighty, so now it is, I guess, updating the camera. I charged it for a little bit. It was about 13%, but I put it up to 23% in about like 5 to 10 minutes. So now it is transferring my files over. I think it's around 80% or so. It's about to end right now. So this is also my first time shooting with 2 cameras at the same time. So let me know if you guys like it, if you guys appreciate it. This is a very interesting setup, to say the least. This was originally kind of like what I was supposed to do for my iPhone unboxing, which if you haven't checked out, 10 out of 10 would recommend. Go ahead and tap it right up here, the little eye. So I will update you guys when the GoPro is all installed and ready to go. So here we kind of have it. I set up my GoPro and everything, and let's see, okay, connecting it and everything. Cool. And there we go. We are able to see a preview. I think this is so dope. I think it's so cool. I will be using this for some very special things that are coming very soon. So I hope you guys enjoy this. This was just a setup kind of thing, and maybe once I get to use it and everything, I'll do a review. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye!